Hi guys, welcome back to this week's video. My name is Jennifer, and if you're new here, subscribe down below for more videos. Hi guys. Okay, honestly, let me tell you guys, I love how I tried to film literally yesterday and the day before, and I didn't even finish the vlog. Like literally I started it and didn't even like finish the rest. So it's literally in the middle of the day. Today is December 8th and it is 3:30, and honestly I was like, you know, I'm gonna start. I Instacarted food because I hate grocery shopping. Yeah, that whole narrative like a couple months ago for my old vlogs where I said I love grocery shopping, yeah, no, I changed. I'm a new girl now. I hate grocery shopping. I Instacarted groceries because I was like, you know, it's so easy. I really don't want to start driving in rush hour, and I'm just not feeling it today. I went to work, I came home, I just need food, like groceries delivered to my house. I got groceries over here, but I'm gonna bring it over here so I can show you guys what I brought. Ooh. Okay. So let me show you guys the groceries that I bought, and this video has a purpose. If you guys didn't read the thumbnail, I am cooking today, and I haven't cooked and vlogged or cooked and made a video with you guys in a while. So I was like, you know, what a good opportunity. I got off early work today and I don't work tomorrow. Finally a day off. So it's like, I'm gonna vlog. All right, so, oh my gosh, they actually listened. Lovely, beautiful. Okay, so I Instacarted Publix, and I just wanna show you guys what I got, some stuff from there. So these were buy one, get one. So I got 2 of the scoops because I'm gonna dip it. Okay, so okay, listen. I'm all over the place. I'm hungry and I'm excited that I finally got groceries, and it's literally not 5 o'clock yet. So I got the roasted garlic hummus, and I got it so I could eat it with the scoops, but also I got cucumbers, and lovely, love cucumbers. Really funny, so I usually when I Instacart stuff, like their food, the stuff, like, okay, anything that isn't like obviously like the easy like chips and everything else, like they can get that easily. When they get you like veggies, they literally grab the most terrible thing ever and was like, okay, cool, this works. And I'm like, bro, like, so I typed in there, I was like, please do not get me the shriveled, gross, ugly looking like cucumbers, because last time I literally ordered lettuce and the lettuce was literally like all rotten and gross, and I was like, bro, I literally couldn't eat it until the core of the lettuce, and literally most of the lettuce was thrown away because it was all dirty. Anyways, my rant's over. I got cucumber. I'm making like baked chicken, but I'm gonna marinate it, and then I'm gonna take the rest to my boyfriend's house tomorrow because I'm gonna cook it for him too. So I got me this big thing of honey. I got paprika because I apparently need that for the seasoning. I kind of don't remember a lot of the seasoning for it. I got a small thing of Hoisin sauce because these are like some of the Asian things that I do season my stuff with. I got freezer gallon bags for the chicken. And then I got oyster sauce, and I meant to get dark oyster sauce, but I also think I do have it. Oh my god, I do have soy sauce. Idiot. Okay, I'm sorry, but sometimes you need to buy something that's super easy and actually yummy to eat. So I bought myself, I love Swedish meatballs, and I bought this because it's easy to make in like days where I'm just like off of work at like 7, get home at 7:30, shower, and I'm actually like able to do things at 8 o'clock. I'm like, I don't want to make food, so I bought these. And usually I just buy like a few small things so I don't actually have to like eat terrible, you know? And then I got myself some chicken thighs. Yeah, chicken thighs so I can cook tonight. And that's all of the groceries. So I'm gonna put most of these away, but most of these I'm gonna use. And actually, no, I'm not. I am gonna eat some of that. So I'm gonna open this up. I like haven't eaten all day today. I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna munch on these. And I'm gonna marinate it for, I think I might marinate it until 5. So I'm gonna make rice and this, but let me try some with you guys real quick. Oh my god, hummus and cucumbers, so good. I didn't eat it earlier, but I had it at my friend's house, Kate's house. She loves hummus, and I think she got me back on the hummus. I will have one more. I'm gonna put the majority of the things away that I don't need right now. I'll be back. Alrighty, so Out of the ingredients that I am using today, I am missing one. I am missing one item, which is sriracha, which is okay because I am putting paprika in it, and sriracha doesn't really matter in a sense because of all these other sauces and flavorings that I am putting in the chicken marinade, that it will taste good. Okay, so let me show you guys the ingredients that you need for today. You need onion, honey, hoisin sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, Lawry's seasoning, hoisin sauce, paprika, and black pepper. And obviously soy sauce. And I think that's it. I'm gonna double check because I made this once. I don't make it often. I hate touching chicken. I literally it's the worst. So I'm gonna make the rice now. I put 2 cups of rice. Clean your rice before you make rice because you never know what kind of buggies and ickiness that it sits through literally during the whole transportation. I always rinse it until the water goes clear, but you can rinse it 3 times. I just advise you to wash it until it's clear because that's literally the rule of thumb. All right, so I learned a trick on TikTok. If you're trying to cut an onion, and I literally cry all the time whenever I cut the onion, and I know why, okay? If you cut the end, you're gonna start crying. So, what you need to do is cut in the middle, and then after that, cut, turn it this way, and then cut down, and then when you're sitting it down, you cut. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you. I'm bad at explaining things. Alright, cool. So I think it tastes fine. Honestly, you just have to see as you go, because I don't know how much I'm putting in each, to be honest, but I'm gonna preheat the oven for 400, and then I'm gonna throw them baddies in, and then that'll be ready, I think, within 35 minutes. Yeah, we're gonna do 450. My sister said 400 for 35, but she's guessing, so I'm gonna just do 450 and just do a good 30 minutes, and then, or maybe 25, and then just go from there. Hey guys, I am probably the worst human ever at vlogging. The chicken is done, and I literally just finished eating. I didn't even show you guys. I didn't even grab my camera to record when it was done. I'm so sorry. Also, cucumber, so yummy. I hope you guys liked this week's video. Really random. And honestly, the randomest part of my day as well. This was so odd, but hope you guys liked this week's video. If you didn't, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Don't forget to turn on my post notifications just in case I post and you guys just don't remember that I posted. I hope you guys have a great, wonderful week. I'm so excited for Christmas. I can't wait to see you guys again. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
We used to have each other's playlists. No. Used to be each other's best friends. Yeah. And now we go our separate pathways.